Hi friends, I just received one product of Amazon. It's this intensive cooling neck air conditioner. Look this way, and we're gonna use it in this moment to show you how it works. So this is our product of our neck air conditioner. Came with this cable for the charge. It's Type-C, as you can see, and if you have any charger with USB type, you can use it. So I'm gonna put this here. And this other part, I'm gonna put it in my laptop because in my office it's so hot, and I'm gonna try to refresh me. So this is the screen of the product. This is the charge. So here is the screen and have these two controls. These you can move it. I'm gonna push it. So as you can hear, it's turning on. And I can control the intensity of the air with this. This is 100 or less. So I'm gonna try it in my neck. Feels so fresh. I'm gonna use the maximum velocity of the air. This one. I feel so comfortable. As you can see, the noise is so little. I'm gonna show you the velocity of the air without my hair, with my hair. Look. Comfortable. I'm using it with my laptop right now. This is a charger, so you can use it in your office, in your home, or if it's charged, you can use it in the exteriors without charging. So as you can see, this is a charger. I'm using it in my work. It's so easy to use. The noise is almost imperceptible, so it's comfortable. You can use it in exteriors without the charger. So I highly recommend it for you and this so hot days. See you.